Pada video yang dulu, aku menceritakan tentang present perfect tense. Ini digunakan untuk menggambarkan tentang hal-hal yang kamu alami pada waktu lalu, tetapi tanpa perincian kapan itu terjadi dan di mana itu terjadi. Past perfect tense digunakan untuk menggambarkan tentang hal-hal di masa lampau tetapi menempatkan waktu sebelum hal lain terjadi. I had gone home to get my keys. Had you called her before you went over? The past perfect tense is used when we're telling a story and there's a series of actions. And we'll usually start off the series with the past perfect tense to give a sense of the cause or the context. Jika kita mengatakan tentang cerita, kita sering akan menggunakan past perfect tense bersama simple past tense. Contohnya, I had come home and saw the door was open. Past perfect tense menggambarkan rangkaian tindakan awal yang mungkin sedikit menarik. Ketika kita mendengar past perfect tense, kita menjadi tertarik sebab biasanya sebuah cerita dimulai. I had met her, but she didn't recognize me. I had bought it and then realized it was broken. I had fallen asleep before the movie ended. Terkadang past perfect tense berguna sekali sebab ketika kita menceritakan tentang sebuah cerita, kita membicarakan tentang hal kedua kemudian menyebutkan apa yang terjadi sebelumnya kemudian. It's a method that's often used in books and stories. I was embarrassed because I had believed the lie. I checked my money and saw that I had been cheated. The suspect ran away. The police had missed their chance. Simple past tense menceritakan tentang kejadian-kejadian yang telah terjadi. Past perfect tense adalah bahasa Inggris yang lebih enak, seperti membubuhkan bawang putih dan cabai di dalam sebuah kalimat. Ini merupakan tambahan berbicara bahasa Inggris yang diketahui oleh orang-orang sulit untuk menggunakannya. Tapi, jika kamu dapat menggunakannya, itu akan membuat bahasamu lebih alami dan lebih menarik.
Hey, what took you so long? I've been waiting for 20 minutes.
I'm sorry, I tried to send you a message. It's quite a run.
Well, what kept you?
No, I'd left the house, and I caught a taxi to meet you.
Yeah?
And I checked, and I realized that I'd forgotten my wallet.
I thought you had forgotten we were meeting this afternoon. Anyway, you have your wallet, right?
Yeah.
Good. Hey, what took you so long? I've been waiting for 20 minutes.
I'm sorry, I tried to send you a message. It's quite a run.
Well, what kept you?
No, I'd left the house, and I caught a taxi to meet you.
Yeah?
And I checked, and I realized that I'd forgotten my wallet.
I thought you had forgotten we were meeting this afternoon. Anyway, you have your wallet, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Shooting, Johnny. This is a little bit of a extended take thing we do
Okay.
now. Horrible weather, isn't it?
Yes, this is.
It's really bad weather in Hong Kong this New Year.
I had this season.
Yeah.